Hey there! I've got a cool method to share with you today that can help you make some extra cash. Imagine earning $3 every 30 seconds just by watching video ads. It's pretty straightforward, and you don't need to invest a dime. Head over to this free website and start making money by watching and clicking on ads. Your online activities can actually bring in some cash, from surveys and offers to referrals and contests. But the real money comes from watching and clicking on ads, and I'll show you how. They're super transparent about payments on this site. You can check out their total payout, which is currently over $40,013.80. They even list the names of members who've recently withdrawn money along with their locations. When you cash out, you have options like Perfect Money, Payeer, AirTM, and Faucet Pay. Let me know your preferred payment method in the comments and I'll make videos about it. I'll show you all of the payment proof. Many people have already cashed out their earnings, and as you noticed, they come from all over the world, as indicated by the flags beside their usernames. And you can also see the total amount paid here. Without any prior experience, anyone can do this, and later on, I'll provide you with numerous examples of how to increase your earning potential. Head over to addiclicks.net. Simply click on this register button to create your free account. That will then take you to this page where you need to fill out your full name, email address, username, and password. Next, enter your birth year and birthplace. Tick I'm not a robot and agree to their terms of service. Then, just click on Register. The leaderboard will be the first thing you see when logging into your account. They'll display the highest earner for you to see. Take this one as an example. You can see his username, his country of residence, together with his overall earnings amounting to over $1,500. These are all individuals from various nations who are capable of making hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month, and all they do is something that you can also do. When you visit your account, you'll find a bunch of ads to click on, and the ones that are most popular are the banner ads. When you click on any of these banner ads, they'll take you to a random website. Hang on to that site for about half a minute, no need to sign up or buy anything. Now, here's the deal. Most folks just click on the banner and stop there. They don't explore further, they simply stick around. But here's the catch. If you make this mistake, you won't earn a dime from those ads. That's why I'm urging you to really check out the website. Look around, browse a bit, because if you don't, they might think you're a bot and won't put any money in your account. So it's super important that once you land on the site, you move around, scroll up and down, and hang out for a bit. My suggestion is to take a little moment then pause for 5 to 10 seconds before moving again. This way, you prove you're a real person, not a robot, and they'll credit your account after 30 seconds. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Once you finish one banner ad, move on to the next. There's more to it than just banners. You can make money from daily promotion, standard micro, and exchange ads. Click these ads for about 10 seconds and get paid. People are using this method to boost their earnings. Click an ad, hang out for 10 seconds, and repeat. Here's a secret tip. Watch at least 5 daily ads a day, and you can multiply your income. Unlock more standard ads and earn 10 times more after those first 5. The waiting time varies from 10 to 30 seconds. The longer you wait, the more you earn. And hey, if watching ads isn't your thing, you can switch things up a bit. Earn money by watching longer content. Think those YouTube videos you binge on every night. Just hit Earn Money up there and select Lootably Daily Offers. You'll find a bunch of options, surveys, one-click apps, videos, purchases, and quizzes. But today, we're diving into video watching because it's easy and let's be honest, who doesn't love a good video binge? Click on videos and boom! You're on a page where you can pick from different video categories: food, DIY, randomness. Choose the one that tickles your fancy. Let's say I go with food. Boom! You're on a website that's pretty much like YouTube, where you can indulge in various video categories. But the kicker? This site pays you just for watching. Now, you'll need to sign up for a free account, like right over here. Pop in your email, set up a password, and hit sign up. Once you've got your Lootably account set, you're golden. Watch as many videos in the food category as you want. Here's a cool trick. Open multiple tabs to watch more videos simultaneously. You can also lower the video quality to save data and watch more 60-second videos. These tips can double, triple, or even quadruple your daily earnings. Now, I've got another exclusive gem for you that no one else seems to be talking about. Check out the leaderboard to spot the top earners and their total earnings. You'd be surprised that around 80% of those earnings come from referral commissions. Yep, just by referring others to this site, you could be among the top earners. So here's the scoop. Visit the Warrior Forum. It's a platform where people chat about making money online. It's free to join, and there's a bunch of buzz going on there. Since people flock on this forum for free info, it's a goldmine for generating some major traffic. For example, search "How can I make money online?" and you'll see a bunch of folks asking the same question. People are hunting for ways to make money, and you can see others dishing out answers. You can even jump in and respond to a post. That's where you'll drop your AdiClicks referral code. Keep doing this, and you'll rack up referrals on the Warrior Forum. Direct folks who are hungry for online money making to AdiClicks.net and hand them your referral code. It's a win-win. They score a way to earn, and you snag some referral cash. That's why, aside from watching ads, referrals are a solid way to rake in some dough on AdiClicks. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!